Transport helicopters are an important component of the Air Force. After all, with their help, people can be transported and dropped off on terrains that planes could never land on. It's also possible to drop off various types of cargo using these helicopters, in the cargo compartment or on the suspension. But these helicopters cost a lot, and today we will show you the 10 most expensive transport helicopters in the world. The Mi-8 is a medium twin-turbine helicopter, originally designed by the Soviet Union and now produced by Russia. In addition to its most common role as a transport helicopter, the Mi-8 is also used as an airborne command post, armed gunship, and reconnaissance platform. The baseline Mi-8 is operated by a crew of 3, including a pilot, co-pilot, and flight engineer. It can carry up to 24 fully equipped troops. It is also capable of transporting cargo weighing up to 4 tons. The cost of the Mi-8 helicopter is estimated at $9 million. The Mi-38 is a transport helicopter designed by MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant. Originally intended as a replacement for the Mi-8, it is being marketed in both military and civil versions. The Mi-38 is operated by a crew of 2. For cargo transportation missions, it can be flown by a single pilot. The cabin can be configured to transport cargo, passengers, or both. It can carry 32 passengers or 16 stretchers. This helicopter can carry 5,000 kilograms of cargo internally or 7,000 kilograms externally. As for the cost of the Mi-38 helicopter, it varies from $13 to $15 million, depending on the configuration. Sikorsky S-92 is an American twin-engine medium-lift helicopter built by Sikorsky Aircraft for the civil and military helicopter markets. The S-92 was developed from the Sikorsky S-70 helicopter and has similar parts such as the flight control and rotor systems. For tactical troop transport, the cabin can be fitted with folding crash-worthy seats for 22 combat-equipped Marines. The helicopter is also able to take on board cargo weighing up to 4,200 kilograms, or on an external sling up to 4,535 kilograms. The cost of the S-92 helicopter is $17.7 million. The NH Industries NH-90 is a medium-sized twin-engine, multi-role military helicopter. It was developed in response to NATO requirements for a battlefield helicopter that would also be capable of being operated in naval environments. The NH-90 was developed and is manufactured by NH Industries. There are 2 main variants of the helicopter: the Tactical Transport Helicopter, TTH for Army use, and the Navalized NATO Frigate Helicopter, NFH. The transport version of the helicopter is capable of transporting up to 20 armed paratroopers or up to 2 tons of cargo. The cost of the NH-90 TTH helicopter is $24.3 million. The Eurocopter EC145 Caracal, now called Airbus Helicopters H225M, is a long-range tactical transport military helicopter developed from the Eurocopter AS532 Cougar for military use. This helicopter can carry 28 troops or 12 stretchers. Alternatively, it can carry 5,670 kilograms of payload internally. External payload capacity is around 4,500 kilograms. This transport is flown by 1 or 2 pilots, depending on the mission. The cost of one helicopter EC145 Caracal is $24.5 million. The AgustaWestland AW109 is a medium-lift helicopter used in both military and civil applications. First flown in 1987, it was developed through a joint venture between Westland Helicopters in the United Kingdom and Augusta in Italy, in response to national requirements for a modern naval utility helicopter. AW109 accommodates more than 30 people and can carry out search and rescue operations at a distance of about 830 kilometers from the base. The multi-purpose helicopter can be equipped with a cargo cable, which is designed for weight up to 5,445 kilograms. The cargo compartment can accommodate a maximum of 3 tons of cargo. The AW109 helicopter costs, depending on the configuration, between $19 and $25 million. The Mi-26 is a twin-engine heavy transport helicopter designed and manufactured by MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant, Russia, for both military and civil roles. It is the second largest and most powerful helicopter in the world and entered service in 1985. The transport version of the helicopter can accommodate 82 paratroopers with weapons. An electric winch with a pulling force of up to 500 kilograms is located in the cargo compartment. Also, with an external sling, the helicopter is capable of transporting goods weighing up to 20 tons. The cost of the Mi-26 varies from $20 to $25 million. Boeing CH-47 Chinook. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is an American twin-engine, tandem-rotor, heavy-lift helicopter developed by American rotorcraft company Vertol and manufactured by Boeing Vertol. The CH-47 is among the heaviest lifting Western helicopters. In the passenger version, seats are installed for 44 passengers. For transportation of goods on an external sling, under the fuselage there is a central cargo hook, designed for a force of 11,970 kilograms. With the front and rear cargo hooks capable of carrying 7,140 kilograms each. As for the cost of the helicopter, it starts from $25.1 million and can reach $32 million for the most equipped version. Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion is a heavy-lift helicopter operated by the United States military. It was built by Sikorsky Aircraft for the United States Marine Corps. Depending on its modifications, the Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion helicopter can carry 37 to 55 people on board. And if necessary, the helicopter can also carry all kinds of cargo on board. The maximum load capacity of the helicopter is 13,600 kilograms internally and 14,500 kilograms on an external sling. The cost of the CH-53E helicopter is $45.2 million. Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion. The Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion is a large, heavy-lift cargo helicopter currently being developed by Sikorsky Aircraft for the United States Marine Corps. It is the largest and heaviest helicopter in the U.S. military. Depending on the mission objective, up to 55 people can be accommodated on board the helicopter. An equivalent amount of cargo can be held in terms of occupied space. However, the load capacity of the Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion helicopter has increased significantly. The helicopter can carry up to 15,900 kilograms of cargo on board or on an external hitch. The cost of the CH-53K helicopter ranges from $55 to $65 million. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the helicopters you liked the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.